How to delete a video on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to delete your video. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, scroll through your posts and find the video or post you want to delete. Tap on the video to open it. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. A menu will appear with different options. From here, tap on Delete. Instagram will ask for confirmation. Just tap Delete again to remove the video permanently. Wait for the process to complete and your video will be deleted. If you don't want to delete the video permanently, you can choose Archive instead. This will hide the video from your profile, but you can still access it later in your archived posts. That's it. That's how you can delete a video on Instagram.